2018 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.